and Lifestyle with Ola, and this is our very first episode, and I'm trying to make sure, I just got some packages and I wanted to unbox with you guys, and I wanted to make sure that it's a real authentic unboxing, and so you guys get to see the same time I'm seeing it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I welcome you all, and I'm a girl into fitness, I'm into fashion, and some of my lifestyle. I want you to come on this journey with me. Share some of, I want to share some of the tips I've learned over the years about luxury goods, about fashion, about fitness. And I'm so excited. I already unboxed some of the stuff and I put them out here, but I got more stuff today, and I wanted you guys to be a part of it. I wanted you guys to see it just the same time as I'm seeing it. So let's go. Okay, the first item, it's from Nordstrom's. I think I remember what this is, and this is it right here. The first item is a box. I think I remember it's a shoe that if I'm remembering now, because I did a lot of damage. And as you can see, I'm gonna cut it right in front with you guys. Let's get to it, if I can just do this properly. So the first item here is this shoe, and it's, ooh, I'm getting all so excited I can't even control myself. Oh my god, they're this. Well, then so here they are. They're just brand new. I'll take photos of them on and I'll let you see it. They're this right here. So that's that for that first unboxing. So another shoe going into my shelf right there, and hopefully I think it's gonna go right there. Another shoe going on there, and it's gonna be exciting. It's always something I've noticed with Christian Louboutin shoes are that that it's very hard to find a size 42. I wear a size 42, and when you find size 42, sometimes they don't fit. Let me even try and see what the fit is, because I wanted them not to be too high. And these are the Lovelies 85. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. Lovelies 85 in black, Napa leather, and that's what it is. So for the important occasions, this bad boy will come out. Okay, so there's that for that to my collection, and it's going on there. Going to my wall of shame, as I call them. The next one is from, yes, I remember, this is another shoe that I got during the sale that Neiman's was having. I don't think they were actually on sale though. I think these are the Saint Laurent tribute sandals. I had one prior to this that I never wore, and I had to send off to the Real to consign with them because they were too high. They were 105 centimeters, and it was too high. So I went in the store when the sale was going on. I got a couple of things, but I saw this and I said, okay, I was gonna get them. So these are the tribute sandals. Let me see. They're supposed to be. They're not too high. They're these are the tribute sandals, and of course size 42, which is like a US 12. Sometimes people think it's a US 11 and confuse you and try to force you to put your feet in it. But these are the tribute sandals. So the ones I had before, I had to send off because they were too high. So these I know I'll be able to wear. Hopefully you can see it. It's right there. That's the tribute sandals. And yeah, this is something I wanted. Because the ones I had them since last year, and I couldn't wear them for the summer. So, and they were brand new that I sent them off because I didn't even get to try to wear it. So these are the shoes, and here they are. So of course they're gonna join this this wall here. I think I'll get to rearrange everything after this shoot. So that's that for the Saint Laurent tribute sandals. And the last one was I needed for summer. I take out a lot of totes to work, and I have a Tory Burch tote that I use for work. I have Louis Vuitton Never Full. I have two of those in different colors. The monogram print, and I think, what's the other one I have? I'll think about it. But I needed another one that was summery, because only one of it was the real summery one. So I saw this on Longchamp's website, and I decided to go for it because it was a good deal. And they were nice enough to, because they said they had run out, but I wanted something that, you know, it's still in a plastic bag. You can see that. Oh my god. So that means I'm the first person to see this and open it. And you guys are the first to see it. You see it at the same time I am seeing it. And so this is a Longchamp tote. I've had quite a number of Longchamp totes that I've been wearing for a while. And so this, I wanted in leather. And so this is really goldy. It's supposed to be a goldish pink. A pinkish gold is what the color was on the website. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. So this is a very good summer. Well, you can see it. I'm not sure how the light is showing on there. This is a very good summer tote, and I'll add to my tote closet. So that's it for my unboxing. Thank you very much for staying with me and unboxing with me. Until next time, it's Ola's Lifestyle. And as I always tell people, be fashionably fit. Thank you.